It's Nick, and we're making slow cooker chicken and pasta. We're going to start by adding half a cup of water and a tablespoon of flour to the slow cooker. This will help make the sauce thicker. Add 2 chicken breasts, and these are our Italian Romano breasts, which work perfectly for this recipe, but other breasts work as well. Add a can of diced tomatoes, 2 sliced onions, and 2 sliced green peppers. Season with Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper, then pour in 2.5 cups of chicken broth. Mix everything together, then cover and cook on high for 4 hours. After 4 hours, add in 12 ounces of tomato paste, 2 cups of baby spinach, and then add 8 ounces of angel hair or thin spaghetti noodles. Mix together again and make sure that the noodles are covered in liquid. That'll help them cook perfectly. Cook on high for another 30 minutes until the noodles are cooked. Once the noodles are cooked, pull out the chicken breast from the slow cooker and put them on a cutting board. Mix everything back together in the slow cooker and put the cover back on the slow cooker and keep it warm while you're slicing the chicken breast. Go ahead and slice the chicken breast. It should be perfectly cooked. Serve a few slices of chicken over the noodle, veggie, and sauce mix. Top with Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley or basil. Yeah, that's a perfect bite right there. Enjoy, everybody.